Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the back of my GX. Today I'm going to talk about this Kakadu Outback Shower. I just got this in the mail yesterday. Ordered it on Amazon about a week ago, so let's get right into it. Go ahead and open this up. See what comes in the box. Instructions. Looks like the hose head. Shimmy this thing out of here. Maybe. There we go. That's all that's in the box. Okay, looks like we got a power cable and water pump, looks like. Alright. Plastic off of here. So let's get into what comes in the box. So first of all, we have the water heater unit, I guess. Looks like it has controls for your inlet temp, your outlet temp, turn up the heat on the water, has your water inlet, water outlet that are quick connects. Coming around to the back, this is where your propane bottle goes in and where your power goes in. Then you have your water pump. So this end hooks to the unit and this end goes in like a water can or a bucket. You have 8 foot of length on this, and it says it'll do about half a gallon a minute. Next up, we have our power cord. Says this is 16 feet, just your regular old 12-volt cigarette lighter, and it pulls 60 watts. And then lastly, you have your shower hose, which same thing, quick connect, shower head. This is about 6.5 feet long. And it says it will pull the temperature up to 122 degrees. The dimensions on this are 17 by 7 by 15 inches, and the whole setup weighs right at 16 pounds. All right, let's get everything hooked up. Let's see, water inlet, quick connect with one hand. Okay, then the power for the pump goes right there. Grab the shower head, get it untangled. Quick connect this one to the water outlet. Maybe. Okay, and then the main power, I'm gonna hook in back here. All right, well, I'm gonna go get a propane bottle and the Blue Eddy and a water can and fire this thing up. It says to make sure you use clean water, so Academy 5-gallon bucket, check. 1 pound propane bottle, check. And 12-volt power. Check. Hit the power button and the display should come on. Now we're going to turn the temperature dial right in the middle and press start. And the pump will kick on and you can hear it self-igniting. And we have some water flow. Okay, we're going to cut that off. Let this thing start warming up. It has ignited and you can see the water is already warming up quickly. Ooh, yeah, that water is already hot and it's been, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds. Let's test this thing out. Yep, it is good and hot. So, now that I'm dried off, final thoughts on this thing. It works, you know? It's definitely hot enough for your wife or girlfriend, that's for sure. Sized pretty well for what it is. Quick connects are great. You do have to have a power source, but it does have an internal battery, so I'm not sure how long that'll run. All the components seem pretty good. Yeah, I like it. It'll definitely be nice to have a good shower after some of those dusty, nasty, hot and sweaty days out wheeling. So, well, thanks for watching.